Hello, come close. I'd like to share a little story about Woody, a fit, virile young man. Woody is a hard worker currently employed as a maintenance worker at a long-term care complex. Woody's dashing good looks and fine physique make him a hit with the ladies, of all ages. Woody prides himself in his carefree demeanor. Woody does not let anything bother him. And, of course, he's not hindered by most social norms, including those bothersome safe work procedures. Those things just slow you down, Woody says. Somebody once mentioned the power position, but Woody didn't care. Brute force has always worked for him. Woody was enrolled in a musculo-skeletal injury prevention course the previous Friday, but he blew it off. Woody wanted to get everything done. He had a night on the town planned. Woody figured he could whip through all the deliveries, the inventory rotation, and knock off an hour early. He knew he could get away with it. His boss might be a little angry come Monday, but he would come out on top. After all, he's Woody. Then it happens. He grabs a box. It was labeled heavy, but he was in a hurry. He lifted, jerked a bit, and a bit of a twist, and then a sharp pain in his lower back and shoulder. Woody's down for the count. But not to worry. Fortunately for Woody, he's young and in good shape. He's told by the doctor that he'll be able to go back to work Monday, but he'll have to take it easy. Back at work, Woody's told he can do equipment inventory seated in front of the computer for a few days. Woody thinks to himself about having to cancel some of his normal after-work routines as well. A coworker stops by and interrupts Woody, who's lost in his thoughts. He tells Woody about how they learned about the power position in the MIP course that Woody missed. The worker tells Woody how much better he feels at the end of the day now because he now focuses on what he's going to lift and how he's going to lift it. His coworker goes on to say it took some time and conscious effort to adjust and make the process a habit, but that effort is so worth it. Intrigued, Woody asks some more. His coworker demonstrates a simple squat lift on how to pick up a box. Coincidentally, that box looks strikingly similar to the one Woody previously lifted that fateful day. But this time, Woody sees how to do it safely without risking injury to his smaller muscle groups like his shoulders or back. His mind made up, not wanting to be stuck doing inventory behind a desk again or missing out on his favorite activities outside of work, Woody decides to enroll in the next available musculo-skeletal injury prevention workshop and start down that path to some positive change, starting with how he works. Work safe, stay safe. Work healthy, stay healthy. That's Woody's new motto. If you're interested in doing something similar to what Woody's done, check out the links in the description below this video to learn more about the CCSA MIP workshop or even how you might become an MIP trainer.